In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the Dota 2 crash after loading screen error, so make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps, and let's start. So the first step is to open up Steam. Now click on the Steam button in the top left corner. Click on Settings. Now go to Downloads and click on Clear Download Cache. It says this will clear your local download cache and you will need to log in to Steam again. Do you wish to continue? Click on OK. And now open up Steam again and just log in with your account name and password. Once you log in, go to Library, right click on Dota 2, click on Properties, click on Set Launch Options, and now type -open GL and click on OK and click on Close. OK. The second step is to update your graphics card, and you can do that by clicking on the search bar and type Device Manager and open it. Once you open it, click on the arrow next to Display Adapters. Right click on your graphics card, so the Nvidia one or the AMD one. Click on Update Driver and click on Search automatically for updated driver software. And it says Windows will search your computer and the internet for the latest driver software for your device unless you've disabled this feature in your device installation settings. This will automatically update your drivers, and after that you can close the device manager. And the third step, if any of the other two steps didn't work, is to reinstall the game. So just go ahead and uninstall it and then just download it back again on Steam and install it again. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helped. Bye.